The big topic today, of course, is the lack of capital spending by business. Now, we have one group, the National Association of Business Economics, NAB, saying that it is not improving, and we have all been keeping up with that, along with repatriation after the $1.5 trillion tax reform package. Another group representing the smaller side of the scale, the National Federation of Independent Business, saying that capital spending by the smaller businesses has recently turned up, and they're optimistic in some of their polling of their respondents. What is your take on the lack of monies moving into future projects and future potential to set up new businesses?
Well, I think it was a very important and powerful step to reduce the corporate rate. It really hasn't been in effect very long, so you can't expect companies to instantaneously change their future investment plans. I'm happier that it's the small business and manufacturing companies that are taking advantage of it. I mean, I think it was really meant to address the fact that they were in a disadvantageous business climate. It's all about not just what happens the first year, but establishing an environment that is friendly to business, that encourages enterprise. And I think we're already seeing its high employment rates and the benefits to employees. They're getting paid more. So there are plenty of people working who got bonuses as a result of that new tax program, and I'm sure they're quite satisfied with that.
You know, when I think back, the effective rate versus the actual rate of corporate taxation before the tax reform bill of this administration, many big companies paid smaller than the advertised rate. But it wasn't that way for the smaller businesses. So I agree with you, and that certainly gets lost in the shuffle. And very quickly, at a time where we see the Democrats getting ready to put forth a presidential troop of candidates, the common theme's reversing tax reform under this president. Your final thought as to why that would be a good or a bad idea?
It would just be disastrous, and that's the point as well. Even when things are better conditions for business, particularly small business, where the real productive growth comes from and the jobs are created, they have to feel certainty about this new business climate. And within a year after it was initiated, to have people talking about reversing it is very damaging to the long-term growth prospects for the country. It's a big mistake.